Welcome to A to Z English Conversation.
First meeting at the library.
Hello, is this seat taken?
No, it is not. You can sit here.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
I am Emily. What is your name?
I am Ryan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you a new student here?
Yes, I just joined this week.
That is great. What are you studying?
I am studying English literature.
That sounds interesting.
What about you?
I am studying computer science.
Wow, that is cool.
Do you like this college?
Yes, I like it so far.
That is good to hear.
Do you come to the library often?
Yes, I come here every day.
That is nice.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I love reading books.
What kind of books do you read?
I like novels and poetry.
That is great.
What do you usually read?
I read textbooks and sometimes novels.
Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, my favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird.
That is a wonderful book.
Have you read it?
Yes, I have. I loved it.
That is nice to know.
Do you like writing too?
I write a little. What about you?
I enjoy writing poems.
That is beautiful.
Thank you.
Do you want to be a writer?
Maybe one day. That is my dream.
I hope your dream comes true.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
I need to read this chapter now.
Sure, I will also read my book.
Maybe we can talk again later.
I would like that.
See you later, Ryan.
See you, Emily.
In the cafeteria. Hi, Ryan.
Hey, Emily. How are you today?
I am doing well. What about you?
I am good too.
Are you here for lunch?
Yes, I am a little hungry.
Me too. Let us eat together.
That sounds great.
What do you want to eat?
I think I will get a sandwich.
I will get some pasta.
Do you like the food here?
Yes, it is not bad.
I agree.
What classes do you have today?
I have 2 classes in the afternoon.
Which subjects?
One is programming, and the other is math.
Sounds like a busy day.
Yes, but I enjoy it.
That is good. I had 2 classes in the morning.
What did you learn?
We studied poetry and essay writing.
That must be interesting.
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot.
Do you write essays often?
Yes, almost every week.
That is a lot of writing.
It helps me improve.
That is true. Practice is important.
Do you have any assignments this week?
Yes, I have a coding project.
Good luck with that.
Thank you. I will need it.
I am sure you will do well.
Thanks, Emily.
Let us find a table to sit.
Yes, let us go.
Group study. Ryan, do you want to study together today?
Sure, I have some free time now.
Great. Let us go to the library.
Okay, I will bring my notes.
I have mine too.
What do you want to study?
I have a test tomorrow.
What subject?
English literature.
I can help you review.
That would be very helpful.
What topics are in the test?
Shakespeare's plays and poetry terms.
I remember some of that.
Let us start with Shakespeare.
Okay. Which play?
Romeo and Juliet.
Classic love story.
Yes, very emotional.
What do you need help with?
Some of the quotes are hard to understand.
Let us read them together.
That is a good idea.
Here is one. What light through yonder window breaks?
Yes, that one is beautiful.
It means Juliet is like the morning light.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
You are welcome.
I feel more confident now.
I am glad I could help.
Do you need help with any subjects?
Maybe next week, for my math test.
I will try my best to help you.
Thank you, Emily.
Group presentation preparation. Hey, Ryan. Are you ready to work on our group presentation?
Yes, I brought all my notes.
Great. Let us sit at this table.
Sure. What should we start with?
Let us decide the topic first.
How about social media and students?
That sounds perfect.
Should we divide the parts?
Yes. I can talk about the advantages.
Then I will take the disadvantages.
That works well.
We should also add a conclusion.
Yes. We can write it together.
Do you want to use slides?
Yes, PowerPoint will make it better.
I will start making the slides.
I can write the main points.
Good idea.
Do we have 5 minutes each to speak?
Yes, that is the rule.
Then we should practice timing.
I agree. Let us rehearse later.
Are you nervous about presenting?
A little, but I will be okay.
You will do great.
Thanks, Emily.
Have you ever given a presentation before?
Yes, but only once.
I have done 2 before.
That is good experience.
Do you want to meet tomorrow to practice?
Yes, let us meet after class.
Okay. I will bring my laptop.
Perfect. I will bring the flash drive.
We make a good team.
I agree completely.
Let us take a break now.
Yes, my brain needs rest.
Want to get some coffee?
I would love that.
Let us go to the cafe.
After you.
Presentation day and friendship talk. Are you ready, Ryan?
As ready as I will ever be.
We will do great.
I hope so.
I brought a copy of the slides.
That is smart.
Let us go early to set up.
Yes, good idea.
I feel a little nervous.
Me too, but we prepared well.
Let us take deep breaths.
Okay, feeling better now.
We just need to stay calm.
And smile.
Right. Smiling helps a lot.
I am glad we practiced yesterday.
That made a big difference.
After the presentation, we should celebrate.
Yes, maybe with ice cream.
Sounds perfect.
Let us go in now.
Here we go.
After the presentation. We did it.
Yes, and it went really well.
The professor seemed happy.
I noticed that too.
Thank you for being a great partner.
Same to you, Emily.
Let us get that ice cream now.
Yes, we earned it.
What flavor do you like?
Chocolate, always.
I love vanilla.
Classic choice.
This is the best part of the day.
I agree.
Do you have any plans this weekend?
Not yet. Do you?
I might visit the museum.
I have never been there.
Would you like to join me?
I would love to.
Great. Let us go on Saturday.
What time?
Around 11 in the morning?
That works for me.
I will text you the address.
Thank you. Walk in the park. Hi, Emily. Want to take a walk in the park?
Sure, I would love to.
The weather is really nice today.
Yes, the sun is shining.
Do you like walking?
Yes, it helps me relax.
Me too. It clears my mind.
How was your class today?
It was long, but good.
Did you learn anything new?
Yes, we started a new topic in programming.
That sounds exciting.
It is a bit hard, but I enjoy it.
That is important.
How was your day?
It was peaceful. I read a book in the morning.
What book?
Pride and Prejudice.
I have heard about it.
It is a very good book.
Maybe I will read it someday.
You should. It is a classic.
I will add it to my list.
Do you keep a reading list?
Yes, I try to read 2 books every month.
That is a great habit.
Do you read every day?
Almost every evening before bed.
Walking home from class. Hey, do you want to walk home together?
Sure, I do not live far.
Neither do I.
Today was a long day.
Yes, I am very tired.
But we learned a lot.
That is true.
Do you like morning or afternoon classes?
I prefer mornings.
I prefer afternoons.
Why is that?
I am not a morning person.
I understand.
Do you cook your own meals?
Sometimes. I am still learning.
Me too. I watch online videos.
Cooking is fun when it works.
And a disaster when it does not.
Yes. I once burned rice.
I once dropped a whole pizza.
That is worse.
We should cook something together one day.
That would be fun.
Maybe next week?
Yes, let us plan it.
I will make a list of easy recipes.
I will bring the ingredients.
Deal.
Emily, I am really glad we became friends.
Me too, Ryan.
Saying goodbye for the day. I think this is your street.
Yes, I live right over there.
Thanks for walking with me.
Thank you too. I enjoyed our talk.
See you in class tomorrow?
Yes, I will be there.
Do you need help with anything?
Not right now, but thank you.
Okay. Text me if you do.
I will.
Good night, Emily.
Good night, Ryan.
Take care.
You too.
Bye.
Bye.
What a good day.
Yes, a really good one.
I am looking forward to tomorrow.
Me too.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, A to Z English Conversation, like and share.